Alright friends, how are you going? Yeah, just a quick video today. It's kind of like, well, it's not to do with this channel or anything like that, but it sort of is, because it's me and my wife. This morning we just popped out, so yeah, just popped out, taking the dogs for a walk around this local village, Barrow. And we've seen something really, you don't really usually see every day. Yeah, it was a snake just on the side of the road. Yeah, a real proper snake, not a toy one either. And it was dead. So, and I did have my camera at the time, so I've picked up my camera and I'm going back and just, because no one likes, you need to see a snake on the side of the road. Yeah, I'm going to see what you reckon. Don't know, because I'm not a really snaky person or anything like that, so I don't know what kind it is. Whether it's one what's escaped, like a pet one, or it's a native one which is lurks around in the grass. But you take a look, and when I get there, you take a look and let me know in the comments what you reckon. So yeah, so I'm just coming up on it where we've seen it. It was just the other side of the road, down there a bit. I think it was down there. Oh, but it's gone now. No, it's still there. It's still there. I'll spin the camera around, you take a photo of this and you let me know in the comments what you reckon to this. I mean, it's obviously dead because it's still there, it's not moved, but have a look at there. Here we go, guys. So look, it's about what? It's not quite 2 foot long. It's obviously something's had it. Don't know what it is. Like I say, if you can let me know what kind of snake it is. So whether some pets, some foxes had it, or it's been run over by a car, I don't know. But I'll get a close up at it. I hope it is dead. It'll pounce at me. That's its face. Yeah, guys, it's definitely a real snake. So, like I say, I'm thinking whether it's been somebody's pet and it's got out, or I don't know. Does it live in this kind of grassy sort of area? Because there's a lot of grassy fields and stuff around here locally. So, yeah, guys, that's it. That's the snake, what we're seeing. Don't really see them that often out in the loose, but like I say, if it's a pet and it's just got out, it's on the Willow Road, just as you come down here from the roundabout. So yeah, wow. Let us know in the comments what you reckon. But yeah, just a short video to show you it. Yeah, wicked. There you go. I'll see you in the next one. Nice. See you later.